Today we discuss about the difference between the bailment and pledge. Bailment is nothing but transfer of the goods for the some other purpose. That is, the bailment is delivery of the goods for the purpose for any kind repairs, safe custody, carriage, etc. That is the bailment. Pledge is nothing but bailment of goods for specific purpose for the fulfillment of an obligation, security of repayment of a debt, performance of a promise. That is called as pledge. That is, the bailment is the repair purpose, then pledge means security for the repayment. Second one is the parties of bailment are termed as the bailor and bailee. That is the only two parties involved. One party is giving those or delivering the goods. That particular person is called as bailor. To whom the goods is given, that is the bailee. In pledge, the parties of termed as bowner and bowney, or pledge or pledgee is called as bowner and bowney, or pledger or pledgee here. In that bailment, we consider that default of the bailor or bailee has no right to sell the goods bailed. The bailee may retain the goods or sue the bailor. Default of the bailor, the bailee has no rights to sell the particular goods. That is the in the bailment means. In pledge, suppose default by the bowner, the bowney has to right to sell the pledged goods after giving the notice. For example, in bailment, that we are giving the motorcycle for repairing purpose. They are not taken the some period of time. They are not sell to the particular bike of the bailee, but in the bowner, they are giving the asset to security purpose. They are give the particular, they are not give retain the particular amount to particular date. Means bowner has to bowney pledged the goods after giving the notice. The bowney has the right to sell the particular goods. The bowney has the bowner, they are not giving the some period of the particular amount. Means bowney has right to sell the particular goods, but in the bailment, bailee has not there is no right to sell the goods. Okay, then the bailee may use the goods bailed with a consent of the bailor. That is, the use the goods only consent of the bailor. The bowney has no right to use of goods pledged. That is, the bowney only selling authorities applicable after the notice, but they are not, there is no right to use the goods pledged. Then consideration is not essential for the bailment. In the it is maybe graduous, it may be graduous, or consideration is not essential, because it is the classification of the bailment: graduous benefit, non-graduous benefit. Without receiving any amount, they are giving the particular goods for the some other purpose. It is included in the bailment, but that is the definitely in pledge. Consideration is necessary for the bailment. Without there will be no pledge, only for the consideration available. Then next one is the bailor has to write the terminate the bailment before time fixed for it and ask for the return of the goods. In the bailment, bailor terminate the particular bailment during the some reasons. There is has right to retain the particular goods. In pledge, goods pledged can be returned either on payment or performance of promise only. Either they are receiving the payment, or it is the time only rights to terminate. Then bailment may be made for any purpose. In bailment, made for the any purpose. For example, already we told repair purpose, safety purpose, custody purpose, carriage purpose. These are all the using of the bailment. Pledge is made for a specific purpose, either a security of the payment or performance of the promise. Then last one is the contract of bailment comes to an end on return of the goods bailed. The contract is comes to an end, return of the goods, the contract is over. But the pledge is not necessarily to terminate by the return of goods for a limited purpose to owner. Thank you.